What are you doing for the rest of your life? Need help answering that? Look into Cascadia Tech Academy. Do you have an interest in engineering, mechanical and architectural drafting, or robotics? Students in the Pre-Engineering Design Technology program get hands-on training in a variety of on-site facilities, including a robotics lab, a laser and 3D printer lab, and a manufacturing lab.
Right now I'm working on a year-long project. I picked to do a ceramic 3D printer. I'm choosing to do it from scratch.
You can earn industry certifications, earn college credits, and even learn to use CNC, or computer numerically controlled machines. So, if you love to build things, consider the Pre-Engineering Design Technology program at Cascadia Tech Academy. Your future awaits. What are you waiting for?